Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add and remove a payment card on Alibaba in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Alibaba in your browser and log into your account. Select any item you want to purchase and go to your cart. Click Checkout to proceed with the payment. On the Buy Now page, you'll see different payment options. Choose credit card or debit card, then enter your card details. Click Save to add your card to your Alibaba account. To remove a saved card, follow these steps. Go back to Alibaba homepage. Click on My Alibaba in the top menu. In the Quick Entry section, select Orders. Click on Transactions, then scroll to the last option, Bank Card Accounts. Here you'll see all your saved payment methods. Select the card you want to remove and click Delete. Your card has now been successfully removed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.